Guys, today my mom gave me permission to smash her old blow dryer, so let's go. First off, actually no, we're gonna go Plane Rock 124. Plane Rock 124, if you're watching this, shout out to you. We're about to smash this your way. Now that's epic. That's omega epic. Let's grab this. All right, there you go. Okay. Now we're gonna bang it, bang it, bang it. All right, guys, here we go. Here's what the blow dryer looks like right now. No really visible damage, just some scratches. The camera, you guys can kind of see there's some scratches right there. But that's really it. Nothing really big. Throw it. And then, guys, right here we got ourselves a Fortnite Nerf gun. Even though Fortnite is dead, ourselves a Fortnite Nerf gun. I don't even know how these things work. Let's just hope to God they actually work. Honestly, it doesn't work. I can feel the battery trying to work, but it's not. This thing's dead meat. All right, dude, let's see if this thing right here has anything in it. There's a mag. Nah, it's not gonna do anything. All right, dude, today I'm gonna set it up for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera up for you guys in a perfect position. Okay. You guys see that well? No, it's not a good position. Let's see here, guys. So I'm just gonna get some good angles. So I'll snap back when I get a cut.
All right, guys, let's do this.
Hair dryer.
Oh, dude, this thing is like super scratched, but no visible damage so far. Oh, I felt something. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to tear a little bit of the plastic. Ooh, this is getting juicy, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Spirix because video crazy like this every single day. Not every single day, but we try to do daily uploads as often as possible. Oh my gosh, guys, it's starting to tear right here. Look at that. Oh, it hurts. Oh, guys, look at this. All right, don't worry, guys. We will clean it up after, so don't worry. Oh, shoot. All right, let's go. Oh, this hair dryer is going flying. Oh, bro. Guys, everyone say rip and chat to the hair dryer. Oh my god. Alright, damage review. I don't know if I want to tell this or not, because it's going to be really satisfying when it comes off. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Dang, guys. Nothing lasts forever, ladies and gentlemen. And this right here is proof that nothing lasts forever. Out. It's out. It's out. Oh my god, it's out. All right, guys. Cameraman, get a good view inside of the hair dryer, guys. This is what is inside a hair dryer. Oh my god, it just fell out. Guys, this is actually insane. All right. All right. Let's finish it off. how about this, guys? Let's get an imaginary smash ball and let's finish it off. Dang! All right, here we go. Dang. Imagine if I put this thing back in and it works. Oh my god. This thing is total, guys. This thing is literally total. This is what's left of it. This is what's left of it, guys. Jeez. If this thing still turns on, how about this, guys? I'll make a bet with all of you viewers. If I plug this bad boy in, if it makes a sound or anything, this thing turns on, I will give you all individually $10. I think I've done so much damage. It doesn't even want to turn on anymore. Oh, I think it's totaled, guys. There is no way to repair this bad boy. It is just done. Oh, I saw how the screws come out. That's good. Oh shoot. Cause you know, guys, I don't want to be losing $10 here. You know, I value my money. Alright guys, here's the Smash hair dryer overview. Alright, what we got here, got a bunch of springs. We got, what the frick this is. I probably shouldn't be touching this, because it's probably gonna electrocute me. Ow, that hurt. I think this goes to this to turn it on and stuff. But this button is obviously broken, because here at Spirix, we're crazy! This button comes out. Oh, I see the mechanism for this button, guys. It's not gonna last much longer. Okay. Turn it around. Oh my god, it came off. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, that concludes today's smashing. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.